Well, good morning. This is Mornings in the Shop. I am Buck. And just as soon as I fired the camera up, I get something caught in my throat. Good hot coffee, maybe it'll burn it out. But this is Wednesday, June 26th. Mornings in the Shop. I did a video. It's with my bandsaw. I tuned one up. I had bearings. I had a couple go out at different times, but the thing about it is, when they went out, it got a blade. So I got a new blade on there, and I decided I'm fixing to do that dry sink. And the thing about it is, there's going to be, I got rough cut lumber, and it's going to take quite a bit of resawing. So I need to get my joiner, the blades good and sharp, get them replaced, and a planer. And I figured I'd just start with my bandsaw. And it's a good thing I did. I wound up with two. When I took them, I just got a set, the whole set. And there's six of them, three on top, three on the bottom. One holds the back, one holds left, one holds right. The top and bottom, so six. So I got me a set of bearings from the manufacturer. I'm sure it comes from China. But anyway, I decided to just pull the table off and made a video replacing the bearings and then setting it up. How I set one up that it doesn't have a drift. It don't have a drift, you know. A lot of times you go putting the wood through it, it will drift, but it's in the way you set it up. And I also showed how I set it up with a real narrow blade, or yeah, I think it's 3/8. I'm not sure. Let's just go take a look. You want to? So what I done, well, this is the wood I used right here. What I done, I just don't know if we can see that, but it's even all the way down through, even. If it's off, this is where the thing would be. If it drift off, it would be thinner here, but it's the same. I measured 6 times. This spot here may be a little, and I'm talking about a 64th. But then again, I'd never run this through the planer. It could have been the board. But the other 5 places measured exactly the same. I'm happy with the way that thing comes. I used the fence. I know a lot of people, well, I don't know a lot of people, I know some that they take the count they'll run a piece through there and see which way it's drifting, and they'll clamp a fence at that angle to so they got the fence lined up with the drift. My fence is lined up with the table, because when I set it up, you don't worry about no drifting. The thing about it is, this little old short blade, I do my resawing and my curves. I got a wider blade. I think this is a 1/2 inch. I got a wider blade, and I've used it, but it doesn't benefit me. The way I set my saw up, I can resaw with that little short blade as easy as I can that wide blade. Let's see if this thing tells us. Ah, dang it, it doesn't say. Oh, there it is. Well, I ain't got my 0.1875. 0.1875. 3/16. but I'm measuring the teeth in all 3/16, so I don't know what they're using right there. But anyway, I keep me an extra blade, and them narrow ones all I ever used. I hadn't used that 1/2-inch blade a long time. If I get everything broke and I can't get them, I'll put that one on it. But it's a waste of time. I would like to have one of them blades like that with less teeth per inch, and just try that. This is the one I've got. This is the one that worked for me, and so I get the same one every time. Because if it works, it works. It just works. However, I have got a dry sink that I've got to, and I'll tell you something else I've done. I had you can't, I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can't see where that crack was. But I put a dowel in it to help strengthen it. The problem is the footage that I put the dowel, I don't know where it's at. So I did that library table where I put dowels in it. It's the same process, you just don't come all the way out this way. And I got it glued in there good, and it's a good oak dowel, a dowel that I've turned myself, and all that, you know. So I have back down here on Wednesday, June 26th. I think we're 5 weeks in, 6, I don't know, on her leg, on recovery, and she's doing quite well. We're just waiting for them bone to mend back together. So she can't put any. Well, she can put a toe touch weight, but she can't put her weight on that leg until that bone heals up. Because we do not need any other issues to set her back. So we're just taking our time and biding our time, maybe I should say. So we go, well, a week from today, I think a week from today. Yeah. A week from today, we go back to the doctor and get us another picture, and then we'll have a picture, and then they get us a picture 4 weeks apart, and we get us an idea of, you have something to compare to, and you get an idea, a good idea, how much longer it's going to be. But the surgeon's expecting a full recovery. And it's just, once she gets that, be able to put weight on that leg, you know, it's downhill then. She can go. I mean, she's really starting to get them muscles up. Of course, she goes through therapy and all like that, and that's definitely helping. But I need to get back up there to her. So I don't know when I'll put the next one out or what it's going to be. Don't know, but we'll figure it out. I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. We'll just see how it goes. Y'all have a wonderful day.